So this equation is just variables on both sides. So the idea is you want all the variables on one left hand side and all the numbers on the right hand side. So to get rid of the variable or a number on one side, you just have to eliminate them by subtracting it. So I'm just gonna subtract by 3x on both sides so that we get rid of this 3x on the right hand side. So now we have 2x minus 5 minus 3x. So it's going to give us minus x minus 5 equals, well, 3x minus 3x disappears. So now you're just left with minus x minus 5 equals 2. Okay, to get rid of this 5 so that we only have numbers on this side, we just have to add 5 on both sides. And then now you're left with minus x equals 7. Okay, how do I turn this into x equals form? Well, this is the same as minus 1 multiplied by x. So if you want to undo that, you just have to divide by minus 1 on both sides and cancels out. And now you're just left with x equals minus 7. All right, so the next question is 17 minus 4x equals 2. Well, you have variable on one side, but numbers are on both sides. And I want the number on the other side. So I'm just going to leave this minus 4x here, but then I want to get rid of this 17. So I'm just going to subtract negative 17 on both sides. And it's going to give me, well, 17 minus 17, well, it's 0. You're just left with minus 4x equals, well, 2 minus 17 is going to give me negative 15. And now this is minus 4 multiplied by x. And I want to turn this into x equals form. So I want to undo this. So it's minus 4 multiplied by x. So if you want to undo it, you divide by the same number. So you divide by minus 4 on both sides. So it's going to be cancel out and 15 over 4. Okay, this is your answer. A lot of you just did minus 4x divide by 4 on both sides, but then that would give you minus x equals minus 15 over 4. Well, you have to do one more step to get you to x equals 15 over 4. It's like the same question here. If you end up with the minus x, you have to divide by minus 1. And then you divide by minus 1, which is going to give you x equals 15 over 4. So yeah, just divide by a minus number and it will make your life easier.